So hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? So let's prepare this yummy and delicious vegetable and potato. Yes, so guys, this food was so delicious. Yes, so delicious. So to proceed, you need some potatoes. Yes, so as you can see, this potatoes is already cooked here. So make sure you cook until it's soft here, but not very soft here. So in this recipe, I'm going to be using fish. I want to make it as healthy as I can. So I'm going to be using this fish. It's called sea bass. That's what I'm going to be using here. So here I'm going to be frying. So in the pot, I added some oil. So after I added my fish, and then I went in with my seasoning. So you can use any seasoning of your choice here. These are herbs here. Garlic powder, onion powder, ginger powder. Yes, that's what I use. And also I added salt here. So after I stir everything, and I'm going to allow it fry or cook here. So the guys, this recipe was so delicious. Yeah, with this you can pair it with rice, anything. Yeah, and you can eat it on its own. Yeah, so if you are watching me and you are trying to lose weight, I recommend this dish to you. It's so delicious. Yeah, make sure if you are trying to lose weight, don't add too much potatoes. Yeah, make sure the vegetables are more than the potatoes. Yeah, so with the vegetables was more than the potatoes. Yeah, so as you can see, our fish is still cooking. Yeah, or frying very well. So as you can see, it's looking so beautiful. Yeah, so if you're looking forward to lose weight, then this dish is for you. It was so yummy and delicious. Yeah, as you can see, our fish is looking so yummy and delicious. Yeah, guys, this meal was on top of the world. It was so delicious. Yeah, so yummy. Yes, so as you can see here, I checked on the fish here, and it's still looking very yummy. At this point, it's still no cook. It's still no cook. Yeah, so we are going to allow it cook more. So now I added some of my ketchup, the ketchup that I made. Yeah, I added a little bit because I wanted a little bit of heat. Yes, so I added a little bit. Once I'm done, I'm going to stir everything and then allow it fry again. So make sure you stir very well. Yeah, I know the fish will scatter, but don't worry. Yeah, don't worry. If it's scatter, don't worry. Yeah. So here, as you can see, so we are going to leave it to fry, and then we go in with our vegetables. So here I have onions, I have green peppers, I have carrots here, and also I'm going to be using broccoli here. So I wanted to make it as healthy as I can. So I have some green chilies as well. So I'm going to add it later on here. So guys, you can use vegetables that you love. Yeah, so you can use any vegetable of your choice. Yeah, this is what I had in the house. Yeah, so that's why I'm using this vegetable. So this is the broccoli I'm going to be using here. All these vegetables are very healthy. Yeah, so try and use a lot of vegetables. Yeah, so guys, this this dish was so yummy. Yeah, so here I had this tomato and pepper blend in the fridge, so I just added it here. So after I covered it here, so I wanted it to cook here. You know, the broccoli is a bit strong and the carrot as well, so you need to cover it and allow it cook here. So as you can see, it's still cooking here. So at this point I came to check on it, and guys, it's cooking so beautifully. Yeah, so you allow it cook until it's soft, but not very soft here, before you add the rest of the ingredients here. So this dish it was so yummy, guys. It was so delicious. One thing I love about this is that you can eat it on its own, or you can add it to your rice. Yeah, and it's so good. Yeah, it was so delicious. Yeah. So here I saw that it was very dry, so I blended some tomatoes here, because you cannot be eating it without seeing any sauce here. It was very, very dry, so I added some tomatoes here. So at this point, see how beautiful it's looking. So I'm still going to cover it again and allow it to cook here. Yeah, so at this point it's looking so yummy. Yeah, so you check your salt, you check your pepper. If it's okay, that means you are good to go. Yeah, so after checking on it, it's looking good though. Yeah, it's looking so yummy and delicious. So here I adjusted my salt here, as you can see here. So make sure you don't add too much salt, so you don't regret. Yeah. So here I added my green chilies. Yeah, guys, I love these green chilies. Yeah. So after, I'm going to stir, and at this point our food is coming to is almost done here. So you add your potatoes. So I stir, and as I'm going to add my potatoes, and we are good to go. It's very simple and easy, very very simple and easy. Yeah, as I said, if you are trying to lose weight, I'll recommend this to you. Yeah, so this is the potatoes. As you can see, the potatoes wasn't a lot. Yeah, because we want to make it as healthy as we can. Yeah, so after you mix everything together, and guys, allow it cook for like 5 minutes, and you are good to go. Yeah, you are ready to serve it. Yeah, and guys, this was so delicious. With me, I had it on its own. I had it with rice, guys. It was yummy. It was so delicious. Yeah, so at this point, if you still feel it's very dry, you can add more tomatoes. Yeah, it's up to you. Yeah, or better to cover it and allow cover it to cook here, and you're going to see more juice in there here. So with my, I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook a little for like 2 or 3 minutes here, and we are good to go here. Our vegetables is done, is cooked. The potatoes is already cooked, so at this point you don't have to overcook it here. It's almost ready here. So guys, this is what I was looking for, and guys, this was so yummy. It was so delicious, guys. So if you're looking forward to lose weight, and you're looking for a dish that can help you lose weight, then this is for you. Yeah, and also if you are seeing this video for the first time, please don't forget to share, like, and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, and also the most important thing, turn on the bell notification bell, so anytime I upload any videos, you will be notified. So guys, as you can see, our food is looking so yummy and delicious. Guys, give me a name for this dish in the comment section here. At this point, it's ready for us to enjoy. Guys, you have to be proud if you can cook. Yeah, cooking is not that easy. So if you can cook, you have to be proud. Thank you for watching. Bye.